Hey there, I am making some DIY surface wipes and I thought I'd just pop in with a quick video to show you how to do it. It's really that simple. So you just need some paper towels, which you can get from the supermarket, some cleaning vinegar, some water, so 2 cups of water, and essential oils as well. So I'll post the recipe after this video so you've got that all on hand. But with the paper towel, so what you need to do is actually just cut it in half. So you can see it's not the most perfect thing, but as I say, it's not a science. So you can use a knife with a serrated edge like I've got here, or an electric knife. And so I think you can get an electric knife from Kmart for about 20 bucks and use that solely for that purpose, if nothing else. I just haven't had a chance to get to Kmart to get one. So literally half a paper towel, that's it, that's all you need. So last night I put the kettle on and I boiled the water, let that cool because we want the filtered water. And again, we want the filtered water because then there's not going to be any bacteria growing in that water when it's in the product, okay? So 2 cups of water here. Then I'm just going to put in a splash of white vinegar. So I think the recipe asks for about 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup. So it's not going to make or break the recipe, but just a splash in there. And then the oils that I've chosen are tea tree, we've got clove, and then also our trusty lemon. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in 5 drops of each essential oil. So we've got 5 of the tea tree, and we're using the tea tree because it's antibacterial, antimicrobial, so it's going to be great for wiping down surfaces and getting rid of any of those nasty bugs. Clove, I'm going to do 5 drops of clove as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So clove is really high antibacterial, antioxidant essential oil. So again, this is going to be great for killing down any germs. It's going to be good for removing any kind of mold that you might have around. Now, keeping in mind this recipe is surface wipes, so it's like any kind of surface. So it might be the kids' toys, it might be the cupboards, the bench tops, you know, any of your white goods, the cupboards, anything that you need at all, even like tabletops and that kind of stuff as well. So it's going to be great. So this is one of the ingredients that is also in our On Guard protective blend. So if you don't have cloves, then you can sub that in with On Guard as well, so that's not a problem. And then lastly, we're going to be using lemon. So lemon, we're going to put 5 to 10 drops in of that as well. So we know that lemon is great for deodorizing. It's great for sort of killing airborne pathogens, but it's also going to be great antiseptic and for cleaning the surfaces as well. So those 3 oil combination is going to be absolutely amazing for killing any kind of those nasty germs that are going to be sitting on the bench top, all those surfaces that you want to wipe down. So that's it, that's the liquid right there, that's all you need. Then we're going to pop this into our little container. So it's a bit of a tight squeeze, that's okay, so that's there. Push that down to the very bottom, okay, and then I'm just going to pop this up here and see, hopefully you can see that. Basically all we want to be doing is pouring that liquid and making sure that it gets good coverage over all of those layers, okay. So you'll see that it's going to start sinking down to the very bottom. There we go, nice. So you'll see that's sort of starting to get down to the very bottom. There we go, so you've got that full coverage. And then all you want to do is remove the inner roll. So here we go, so that's fine, it's got a bit of a paper stuck to it, but that's fine. So super easy to get out. And then you're just going to fold that so that it's sitting there ready to go. And you want to make sure that that is in an airtight container because we don't want that to get moldy and bacteria in it. So that's it, simple wipes. That's really easy to use, and I just keep it on the bench top so that I can wipe down my bench whenever I need, and I also use it wiping down the cupboards as well. So enjoy.